everyone, this is Katie. Today I will introduce our third generation 3D printer filament machine. This generation machine, we also changed some details for the customer to make the operator is more convenient. From the beginning of the hopper, maybe you can have a look together. This hopper, we use the dryer system and the blend system by automatic and without the by hand. You know, the first generation, when you blend the color master batch, you have to use the mixer by hand. The second generation, we use the color master batch to feed the color master batch. But that color master batch, maybe you can see from in a corner of the video, it's easy block in the angle. So the customer is not easy clean the material to change the different color. But the third generation, we design the hopper by ourselves. There is a blender in the hopper and with the dryer together. So here is no some difficult angle to clean the material. So it's easy to fading and easy to change the colors. And you can see the fading material easily. And for the nick, this part the customer can connect the water to cool down the material. When the material dropped into the screw, that will be more smooth. For other details, maybe you can have a look here. We add the switch. You can turn on or turn off the machine without open the door, and some emergency protect. For the heater, there also we use the 3 tools to heat the temperature. So you can control the temperature is very accurate. And the plug is also connect very simple. The water tank, we already told you we add the fans and the water cooling together by the tank. That means you can not only produce the normal material, but also you can produce the water soluble material by one line to meet the different materials function. This line we add more fans compared with the last machine, so the cool down the temperature is more quickly. This water tank, we joined the 2 water tank together. This is 4 meters. And the 2 blower here. For the thickness, you can see the diameter is very accurate. Even the recycled material, you will see the video later. In the corner, we test the recycled material by PLA. Even the PLA material, the tolerance of the diameter is very accurate. So that means the machine is running stable. For the tractor, you will see we use the tool belt to track the filament. That means the filament can be pulled, is very stable and it's not easy slip. Because the second generation, we use the 2 roller to track the filament. The 2 roller track the filament means we contact the filament by one point, but this is by the one level, so it is easy to stretch. And we use the servo motor to control each roller. That means we will be more stable. Maybe you can see from the inside. For the winding machine, we use a 2-stage for the customer to easy to change. When their one spool is full, then you can change another one without to discharge the first. And the winding is all very neatly and useful. This is 5 kg spools. So if you want to use 1 kg, it's also okay. It can meet 1 kg to 5 kg together. For the whole machines, we have the rainbow color machine. We also produce the rainbow color machine to fit the 4 colors, and also controlled by program. And we also to design the smaller 25 laboratory filament machine. Maybe we will take the video for the smaller machine next video. So we have a different types of the filament machine. And so if you want to use or interested this kind of machine, welcome to contact us. See you.